Hello guys, welcome to my next YouTube tutorial of data structures. So today I'm going to tell you how we can traverse a binary tree. So for that let's open a Turbo C++ application. Here we'll go to file and I'll open my program and I've saved it with bt.c. bt means binary tree.c is the extension of the file as it is a C program. So now you can see here this is the program for binary tree. So first of all, let's start with the explanation part. Then I'll show you how we can get the output, how we can traverse the binary tree. So hash include stdio.h, conio.h and standard library.h. So these are the three main header files that we are including in our program. Now you can see here I'm structuring a node, p node. In that node there will be data of data type int, and then I'm structing left pointer and right pointer with struct t node, the left pointer and the right pointer. Now I'm creating a root. So struct node t node root is equal to null. That will be null. So now I'll create a node of a tree and fill the given data. So struct t node create node. So first of all I'm creating the first node of this node. So in this struct t node new node. Now new node is equal to, now we are creating the space for the new node in the dynamic array allocate using dynamic array allocation. So struct t node malloc size of struct t node. This is how we create a new node using the dynamic array allocation. Now new node data is equal to data, new node left is equal to null, and new node right is equal to null. So right pointer and left pointer both are null and data is equal to data. So return new node. So first of all here you can see now inserting a new node into the tree. How we can insert a new node into the tree? So void insertion struct t node star node into data. So this is how we insert the data. So what if in this if condition, if node then node is equal to create node data, so it will create the node with the data. Else if data else if data is less than node of data, then insert ampersand node left data, then we'll insert the data in the left. Else if the data is greater than node of data, then it will insert the value in right. Now the traversals. So there are three basic types of traversals. So post order, pre-order and in order. So in post order, how we traverse the binary tree is first we go to left, right, and then we go to data. So if node post order node left, post order node right, printf %t node of data. Now return. Then pre-order traversal. In this first we visit the data, then left and then the right node. So if node printf %t node of data, then pre-order node of left and pre-order node of right. So this is how you traverse data left and right. Then again return. Now now in order. So in this first you visit left node and then the data and then the right node. So in order node of left printf %t node of data, then in order node of right, then again return. Now our main function, you can see here void main. So first of all I'm declaring the data. First of all we are declaring some of the variables. So int data and ch crrscl while one means while true. Printf first insertion, second pre-order, third post order and fourth in order. Printf enter a choice. So this choice will be given by the user. Then we'll scan the choice that will be given by the user using the variable ch. Now we are using the switch case here. So case 1, printf enter your data %d ampersand data, then here we are reading the data, insertion ampersand root comma data, then break, then case 2 pre-order root break, then case 3 pre-order root. So here we are just calling the functions. We have written the body for these functions, we're just calling the functions here. So case 3 post order root, case 4 in order root break, case 5 exit 0. the default, what will the default printf will be? You have entered the wrong option. If you select out of 5 options, like you select 6, then it will give the default printf, that is you have entered the wrong option. Then here you come out of your switch case, then while loop, and then the main program. So this was all about your binary tree traversal. So let me show you how we can run this program. So there are no errors, so directly we can run the program. So if there are any errors and you're not able to solve it, do ask in the comment section. We'll try to solve. First of all, we'll insert center data 23, then again I'll insert, so 45. Then you can see here I have inserted 2 data, 25 and 45, and one more I'll insert, first 56. Now I'll give pre-order. Okay, so you can see here 23, 45 and 56. Pre-order means first of all the data, then your left and then the right. Okay, then I'll give post order, so 3. Post order 56, 45 and 23. Post order means first the left and right and then the data. Then I'll give fourth one, that is in order, so first left node, then the data and then the right, so 23, 45, 56, and then I'll give 5, so I'll exit. So this is how you write your program for binary tree traversal. So there are basically 3 traversals: post order, in order and pre-order. So thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for further updates.